bẹ lára ọmọ Yorùbá o ẹ máa dá mi lẹ máa ní tiwa làṣà tiwa níṣẹ̀ṣe Ọlásùpọ̀ Lábísí olóńbá yín sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tó mọ̀ mí sí Ofra tàbí aya Múyìí ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá mo fẹ́ ká sún káwa náà sún síwájú ká má jókòó síbẹ̀ ọmọ tiwa ló ti ń kọ́ lórin bó ṣe ń kọ́ lórin ló ń dá láṣà bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn bàbá ńlá wa náà làwọn náà ti ń dá láṣà fa wípé ká má jókòó síbẹ̀ o ká má jẹ́ kọjọ́ lọ tán mọ́ wa lára Yorùbá ẹ ronú àkókò tí tó káwa gan gbéra tán àkókò tí tó káwa gan jẹ́ kán mọ̀ wípé kí ni kò ń ṣe wípé bóyá ayọ̀dẹ̀ kò ń ṣe pé bóyá arìndìn ìwọ ọmọlúàbí òun ló kúnnú wa ṣùgbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n sọ fún yín o ẹ má gbàgbé òwe Yorùbá tó sọ wípé tó bá tó àsìkò kọ̀ọ̀kan tá a bá sún yàn kan ògiri kí ló máa ṣe ó máa yí ojú padà àsìkò yí ojú padà wá ti tó gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá wa Governor Akeredolu bó ṣe sọ nígbà ayé rẹ̀ wípé ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ ronú torí tí kùlí ò bá pa ni tòde ò lè pa ni o ọmọ Yorùbá kí ni mò ń sọ fún wa báyìí pípa àsìkò ti tó ẹ jẹ́ ká jára wa kò ń ṣe ẹnìkan ó ní ó ń ṣe wa o àwa gangan là ń ṣera wa láti ìkànnì Yágbóyágbó TV ó ní mo ti rán wa létí lásìkò yìí pé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ká fi yé wọn wípé àárín dí o ẹ jẹ́ ká fi yé wọn pé a mọ̀ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe àwa Yorùbá gangan káwa gan wá mọ̀ wípé ká fi ọwọ́ báyìí ká fi ti ara wa ní lẹ́yìn wọ́n sọ pé ìgbà ikán òun ni ó mọ ilé ìgbọ́n ikán tí ò bá fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ wọ́n á lè ilé mọ́ o ẹ jẹ́ ká fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ lásìkò yìí káyé ṣera wa ẹ jẹ́ ká fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ lásìkò yìí káyé túbẹ̀ di ara wa síta kí ló dé wọ́n ní tí kulí ò bá pani orí ò lè pani láì kọ̀tà pé láì mọ́ pàápọ̀ lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ èdè ẹ jẹ́ ká wo bó ṣe lọ.
Let us discuss on this matter. Amotekun is different, community police is different. Amotekun will collaborate, all of us will collaborate together. The issue now that is left is about carrying arms. And we say we will pursue this and make them understand at the end of the day. If the IG now does not understand, it will leave one day. Well, another IG will come, other people might understand. If he doesn't want to understand, we are not forcing him to understand. We are saying, let us hold discussion. But if they come out and want to repeat every time about Amotekun being like something that is they feel irritated about, it's not fair. It's not fair. We have taken them through this of what Amotekun is all about, and the state have gone ahead. We have our laws. We will live by that law and abide by it. And if anybody feels otherwise, let him go to court and challenge the law. There's no need for us to bicker on this matter. And we are saying with all sense of responsibility that Amotekun will stay and we will go ahead to negotiate. That's what I'm saying. We'll discuss with the police on issue of arms. And at the point in time, just like they did with the civil defense and a few other paramilitary or military or police security today that are carrying arms, I know the time will come. But if he said no, I said we are prepared to continue to use non-prohibited arms, at least with our blood and everything, to secure the lives and properties of our people.
Bàbá wa sọ ẹ ti tẹ́tí gbọ́ngbọ́n tó sọ fún wa wípé àwa gangan ló yẹ ká jìjàgbara ó yẹ káwa gan ti lọ́lọ́pàá tiwa ó yẹ ká ti lọ́lọ́pàá tiwa èyí tá máa ṣàmójútó ṣé láwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn ta nìyẹn ṣé gbogbo àwọn ohun ìjà ohun èlò tó yẹ kán ní ṣó ni wọ́n ní ẹ yẹ ká béèrè lọ́wọ́ wọn ẹ wò ní ìsìn tí àwọn àtìláwí tán bá dé tí wọ́n gbé àwọn ohun ìjà olóró ńláńlá wá ṣáwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn ṣé lóun tán lè fi dojúkọ wọn ṣé wọ́n ní àṣẹ láti dojúkọ wọn bó ṣe yẹ kí wọ́n dojúkọ wọn ẹ tún wá máa gbọ́ o ẹ wo ọmọ ilẹ̀ Haúsá kan òun náà tún fìdí ọ̀rọ̀ ìmúlẹ̀ nígbà fi mọ̀ wípé tí ògiri ò bá lanu aláǹgbá ò lè torí bọ̀ o tí ò bá ń ṣe wípé tí kulí ò bá pani tòde kò lè pani tí ò bá ń ṣe pé jò lọ́wọ́ ń nú ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́tẹ̀ẹ̀ta tí mo sọ tí ò bá ṣe pé jò lọ́wọ́ nú àlejò kò lè mọ ibi tí sàárè afọ́jú wà ní lágbóolé o àwa ara wa náà ni ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tó náà sọ bó ṣe jẹ́ wípé wọ́n wá lu ara wọn láti wá ṣekú pa wọ́n wá lu ara wọn láti wá kógun jà wọ́n wá lu ara wọn láti wá ṣẹ́gun wọn. Tó bá jẹ́ wípé wọ́n wá lọ́wọ́ ọwọ́ lásán lọ́wọ́ ojú lásán láì ṣe pé wọ́n lọ́wọ́ ènìyàn kankan tó jẹ́ ara alẹ́ nínú, ó níwọ̀n tó bẹ́ẹ̀ láti dojúkọ àwọn. Ẹ̀yin náà bá wa kà lọ kẹ́yìn wò.
In the year 2014, early 2014, there is a serious war between my tribe in Nasarawa State and the Fulani. I mean a very serious war, fight between my language and the Fulani. That war was called Ombase fight. This story I'm about to tell you is very educative and historical. Please help me share this video. I beg you. Help me share this video so that this video will get to many Nigerians who think their problem is from outside, not knowing that the problem of your house or the problem of your community is your community people. And the problem of Nigeria as a country is we Nigerians that are living in Nigeria, not to somebody from outside country. Early 2014, Fulani usually attack my people. But whenever they attack us, my people defeat them. My people were structurally oriented with culture. Juju, we chop juju. If they shoot us gun, you know they enter. If they enter us cutlass, you know they enter. If they use stick, any sort of weapon, it doesn't enter us. Fulani make several attempts to destabilize our villages. They couldn't. They invite their brother from neighboring country, Chad, Niger, other neighboring country, even neighboring state in Nigeria, to attack my particular tribe. They could not succeed. Guess what? Later in the year 2014, later, someone like September, October, these Fulani people begin to get access on how to defeat our people. How did they do that? The same Fulani people uses my tribal people, my people, the same people who fought together, they uses them in the front war. They rented those people, they hire our people, my tribal people. So whenever they are coming for war, it is my tribal people that will be at the forefront to first shoot at us. And if Fulani shoot us, it will not enter. But if our tribal people shoot us, it they enter. Now so Fulani conquer all our village. Now so Fulani destroy all our village, burn all the houses, all the churches, the mosques, the farm, they destroy all the crop in our village using our own people. So what is the story I'm not telling you here? This is what, oh my God, I beg, help me share this video. Help me share this video. Why am I telling you this story? I am telling you this story that for a Fulani man to be able to settle in your village and do whatever thing he is doing, people in that village, people in that community, give them a backup. It is the people in that community that show them the road to enter that community and the road to go back out of that community. I could remember back in the days, if somebody want to rob you, there must be an informer from your compound that you have a money before armed robber can rob you. Before kidnapper will kidnap you, there must be an informant that yes, this person have money, or his brother or his relative have money. If they kidnap him, they can easily see ransom to pay for the person. You understand? So if you are saying that I am a king in my land, I am the representative of my people, I am the governor of my state, and I said these particular people, they are a problem to my people, so I will not allow them settle. How can them settle? They can never settle. So the enemy of a man is someone that knows him. The problem of Nigeria are we the Nigerians. And the problem of Fulani herdsmen, it is we that give them the land to settle, to raid their cattle. Because if they are not settled in a particular land in that community, they will not go about rearing their cow. Because whenever they go rearing their cow, they have to come back to a particular land to sleep, to gather their cows. I guess with this story, you can easily learn that Fulani herdsmen are not your enemy directly. It is people in your community that are your enemy. Most of this kidnapping or non-government we are talking about, we may easily assume na Fulani o, na Fulani o. It may be your blood brother, the same mother, the same father that is setting you up. It is your people that are setting you up, but you know that. Thank you so much for listening to this video.
Tí a bá ti rí àwọn ìròyìn yàjóyàjó èyí tó lè ṣe ìwúrí fún wa ṣùgbọ́n kẹ́ lè máa gbọ́ wa lóòrèkóòrè ó wù ní ìtẹ́ bọ́tìnì ìsàlẹ̀ ojú àgbo yìí yẹn kó lè máa ran yín létí ní gbogbo ìgbà tá a bá ti ń gbé àwọn ìròyìn yàjóyàjó ìròyìn tó máa mú orí wa wú ìròyìn tá a fi ṣọwọ́ sí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tó wà nílé lóko jákèjádò láti fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ kí a lè mú àṣà yìí ká lè mú ìfẹ́ wa ṣẹ lórí yíyọ̀ǹda agbára fún àwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn ní gbogbo ìgbà lóòrèkóòrè òun láwọn máa fi tó yín létí kẹ́ wá lè máa jẹ̀gbádùn wa ní gbogbo ìgbà mo fẹ́ kí ẹ máa tẹ̀lé wa kẹ́ bá wa share kẹ́ dẹ̀ máa tẹ aago yìí níbikíbi tẹ́ bá ti ń rí wípé Yágbóyágbó TV àwọn ni ilé-iṣẹ́ èyí tó ń gbé ìròyìn èyí tó ti ní pèsè nípa ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ẹ tún pàdé mi lórí ètò ní ìgbàkúìgbà ṣùgbọ́n kó tó dìgbà náà èmi a máa sọ wípé inú re kò oríire gbogbo ìgbàkígbà tèmi àti yín bá ti ń jí lówùúrọ̀ kùtùkùtù oríire ni ó máa jẹ́ tiwa ó dìgbà.